Hi, my name is Martha Allison. I'm in Houston, Texas, and Roof Fix has come out and did my whole house. I have an addition on the back part of my house. They came out, it got damaged during Hurricane Beryl. They came out this past week and we did the roof, the addition to the house, replaced the wood on the side. They have originally already done my main part of my house. They did that in January and they did a good job. So I had them come back and finish the back part of my house. And I found them on the internet when a question was asked about, did you need a new roof? And I do my due diligence and check around, gave good pricing, did pretty good work. And if I had another problem with my roof, I have to call them back out. Communication is great. Bam Bam, whenever I called him, I had any issues, which we did on the last part. When they came out, fixed the roof, there was a little leaking between the roof and the patio. And I called them out, and 2 days later, they was out here and came and fixed it up. So I'm good. And I thank you so much, Bam Bam and Roof Fix Houston, for taking care of my house.